Now, permanent method of contraception we had not done. Permanent method of contraception we had not done. But we know which are the two permanent methods. Which are the two permanent?
Removal of uterus.
Uterus, fallopian tube cutting and vasa deferens cutting. Okay, vasa deferens they cut and fallopian they will also cut. Vasectomy and tubectomy. Fallopian tube. Just remember fallopian tube. I remembered it like this. Fallopian tube. It is tubectomy. If fallopian tube is only present in female, so it is for female. The other one, obviously, if not female, the other one is for male. Vasectomy. Okay, later I came to know that vasectomy is from vasa deferens. Vasa deferens is nothing but the sperm cord. The cord which connects the urethra and the testis, through which the sperm will come. So first is this part. Sterilization. What is sterilization? Where is this commonly used? Sterilization.
Kind of like cleaning.
Okay, sterilization. If you go, it is proper. In actual term, it is cleaning.
Killing of germs.
Killing of germs. In biology or in plant tissue culture or in microbiology, if you study anything, you have to first sterile that area, means make it free from bacteria. So if you are doing any work, there should be no bacteria entry. Whereas in common, like in houses, for whom it is mostly common, sterilization.
Baby's bottles.
Okay, baby's bottle, that is for bacteria.
Yes.
Baby's bottles are also sterilized by putting in boiled water. But mostly for domesticated animals, whether domesticated dog or domesticated cat. No more babies. Then it is very problematic to clean the babies. Huh? Yeah. So mostly for domesticated cat and domesticated dog, they take it to that. Not pet shop, they were veterinary hospital. It is near our house, Mangur, not Mangur, Santinagar. Where Deepesh used to work before. Yeah, he has come from there. Yeah, he is good in that also. So he wants to catch the dogs. It's a perfect guy. If you have to give injection, you have to catch the dog. So sterilization is mostly done for animals, but now even humans are doing the same. So in sterilization, there is vasectomy and tubectomy. Now recently last year what happened in Ponda, there was one case where one 6-year-old boy and one 8-year-old girl died by drowning in a canal or pond or what, I don't know. They were coming back from school and they drowned and died. Okay. What happened? The mother and father, they were both educated. Yeah. Common brother and sister. They are brother and sister. They are brother and sister. No, not friend. They are brother and sister, and they were educated. So they had already planned everything, family planning. They had already undergone tubectomy and vasectomy, and they died. So now they cannot have any kids. Okay? So that was the case. So vasectomy is for males and tubectomy is for females. In vasectomy, let's see which one is coming first. So mostly for cats, domesticated animals, they will remove the testis only. At least after they cut, here they remove the testis only in cats animals. Now this is tubectomy. What they do, they cut the fallopian tube and then they tie with that surgical thread. They tie it back and keep it like that only.
So
then what do you think? Will there be production of ovum?
No, but it won't travel.
Yeah, ovum will be produced. Ovum will be produced, but only thing it cannot come in the uterus. It will not be able to travel. Ovum will still be produced.
If that ovum is not able to be like to travel down the uterus and out of the body, then what will happen?
That ovum is reused by the body.
Cause cancer.
No, nothing. It is reused by the body. It will be reused. Okay. It is reused by the body. The ovum is produced. The female will produce ovum normally, but it will not come out and it will be reused.
Almost. How many days will that OM be there?
Around 14, 16 days, just like 28 days, Namche, from 14 to 28. So in that day it will be used.
Sir, the tubectomy is not reversible.
No, no,
They can't open the
they
stitch.
can't open and stitch.
It's like tied, no?
Huh?
It's
Why?
got to its tied.
Cut and tied. First it is cut, separated, then they are tied. First you have to cut. Now, similarly in vasectomy, same case in vasectomy, they will cut it and they will tie the knot. Here the sperms will also be produced, but only thing it will not come out. Okay, but in males, the semen can come out. What is semen made up of? Sperm plus the hormones or the secretions of the, we had studied starting 3 glands. Bulbourethral gland, then one which is the common which is to make caucus P. Caucus P.
So,
Yeah.
bulbourethral is corpus.
Yeah. So that gland, 3 glands are there. Those glands, from that gland, the secretions will be there. Only this secretion which is coming out will be free of sperm. There will be no sperm. So this is permanent method of contraception. Next we have to study is MTP. Okay, we have already discussed about MTP. What is MTP? Medical termination of pregnancy. So medical termination of pregnancy, full form MTP, or it is also called as, what it is also called as, you have written, induced abortion. It is also called as induced abortion. Abortion. So medical termination of pregnancy, definition you can write in your own words. Okay. Abortion, intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before the fetus become viable, is called medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion. Intentionally you do or voluntarily of pregnancy, termination of pregnancy before the fetus become viable, or is called medical termination of pregnancy. Okay. So they cut the fetus and they remove it out. Okay. They try to remove each and every cell. They will put hand inside and they will scratch and try to remove each and every cell which is there, which is connected. It is not like cut and pull. Almost 2 hours they will put hand and search. This they will see under this laparoscopy, and they will put hand and remove all the cells. They try to remove all cells. Then it will be problematic. It will cause problems. Sometimes that might divide and become mass of the cell. So they try to remove each and every cell. And after this, at least for 1 year, no conceiving. Okay. After abortion, at least for 6 to 1 year, 6 months to 1 year, no conceiving, because she has to recover. Then why MTP? Why MTP? To get rid of unwanted pregnancy. What is this unwanted pregnancy? Teen pregnancy, like by mistake pregnancy. Then also because of rape. Then casual unprotected intercourse. Okay, unwanted pregnancy can be caused because of casual unprotected intercourse. Then we have failure of contraceptive used during the coitus. Means they had used contraceptive, but it didn't work. She still got pregnant. In that case, they can undergo this MTP, rapes. Okay, in case of rapes, and continuation of pregnancy could cause threat to. Okay, continuation of pregnancy could pose threat to whom? To the mother, or to the baby, or to both mother and the baby. In that case, they can undergo MTP. Now, what is the negative use of MTP? Yeah, killing of girl child. Okay. Now this MTP is legalized in India, but still some doctors, if you give money, they will kill a girl child. That is called as female feticide. Okay, female feticide, killing of the girl child. That is only negative use of MTP. Then infertility. Okay, infertility, where the sperm production is less, or if the mother is not getting conceived. Okay, there can be different reasons for infertility. So, okay, infertility is unable to produce children. Such phenomena is called as infertility, where the couples are not able to produce children, and this phenomena is called infertility. Now, reasons for infertility can be physical. Physically, that guy must be not fit or the girl is not fit. Then it can be congenital, non-functioning of uterus. Okay, congenital, there will be no functioning of the uterus. Yeah. Disease. There can be certain diseases like polycystic ovary problem. Okay, what?
PCOS.
Yeah. PCOS. Yeah. Yeah, syndrome. So, polycystic ovary problem or thyroid problem. Thyroid is not working well. So, your whole body mechanism will disrupt. Thyroid controls the overall body mechanism. Next, it can be due to drugs. Okay, if they take drug, alcohol, also alcohol, drugs, alcohol, smoking, then immunological problems, like the mother is not ready to accept a new cell in the body, not ready to accept. That is immunological. Anti-sperm antibody means it is against the sperm. Antibodies are produced against the sperm. Okay. The psychologically distress, emotionally stress, or financially difficulties. That can also be the case. So these are the reasons of, in this, if they are not getting children, then the only way is assisted reproduction technology, ART. Right, full form? ART, assisted reproductive technology. Okay. So that is the last part. Yeah, no, then we have to do ART, IVF, ZIFT, different methods are there.